Hi y'all, welcome. Last couple of times we were taking apart some devices and doing a bit of greasing and oiling. This video I'm going to do some sewing. But first there's a cam disc stack that needs to be cleaned, and there it is. And I'm not sure that I'm going to clean it this video. I suppose I could throw it on as an end clip, but I'm not sure I'm going to do that. But anyway, it's going to get cleaned sooner than later. What I'm going to do with this machine in the next vid is I'm going to take the light and the electricals out, and I'd like to be able to really clean the inside, and especially the verticals. So that's what's going on with that. And the motor is already out. Like I did say, I want to clean it well, but we're going to get back to today's fun of me learning how to sew. So, I will sew. Before I fire up the old 401, I would like to show you the threader I bought so I could thread the needle. Here it is. The white end is the needle threading end, the needle threading department, and the blue end is the needle installing on the needle bar department. Now I can install the needles myself, that's not an issue for me or a problem, but recently threading the needle has been a little bit of a challenge at times, and I lost my other little portable threader, and so I got one yesterday. And today we'll be okay, so today I'm back to sewing, or starting to sew the cloth pocket that I had cut. And what I was going to do was I cut out this little pocket, but it needed to be hemmed because it was totally rough. So, and then I had a piece of cloth, same pattern as the pocket. And so what I had done was I had pinned the pocket to the cloth, and then the needle got unthreaded. I couldn't find my threaders. So here we are. But now I discovered today I've lost the piece of work that I already started like 3 or 4 days ago. Anyway, to make a long story short, I have to cut and fit it all again, so that I'm going to have a piece of cloth with a little pocket on it. Here's a little treat until I get the rest of the video made up later today and post it probably tomorrow. I heard something there. Yeah, something. Ooh! Oh no! Pardon me. Crap. I mean, it's all junk cloth anyway. It's old dishwashing towels for drying the dishes. Look, I hope that doesn't upset you. It doesn't upset me, so I guess so far so good. Let me get the thread in the correct place. Let me get my needle pointed. Well, it's always pointed down, isn't it? Oh, wait out. So I've readjusted the tension on the upper tension device. Well, let's have another try. Then reverse, and forward we go. So far so good. I haven't heard any binding sounds like what happened last time when the bird's nest was binding everything up. Everything's pretty smooth so far. We'll see the evidence at the end of the cloth here. Give it a reverse. Oh, that was a big reverse. So it went right into the double or triple or quadruple thickness of that cloth there. So that's pretty cool. Let me bring the needle up. The foot is up. A little trim. There's the bottom. There's our red bottom thread, and there's our black top thread. So, and that's all from the upper tension device. And I welcome you all. If this is your first time here especially, you're as welcome as my return viewers. Please subscribe if you like anything at all on my videos. Please subscribe. The channel and myself could really use the subscribers. It's nice to have lots of subscribers. So thank you for that too. And I'll get back to you shortly within the day, and we'll have some more fun, and I'll show you what I get accomplished with the needle bar driving away. So anyway, thanks if you made it through. Thanks for watching, and I do appreciate you being here and all. And stay safe, have fun, enjoy your craft, and adios amigos.